This is Charlie's Point, where surfing was born in the Philippines. And then it spread to San Juan, Union, and Siargao. But this is where it all started with the film Apocalypse Now back in 1979, Vietnam movie. This is the resort. It's actually right beside the resort I'm staying at. So that's kind of convenient. Very nice. Little pool. Places to sit outside the rooms. So if you want to come here and surf, or you want to come here and stay, they also have surfing lessons, and you rent a room or come here and buy some souvenirs from Charlie's Point. It's really nice, but this is the way the rooms look if you want to come stay. Talking to the gentleman here a little bit, and I'll find out how much the rooms. You can look them up online. I just can't remember what they were off the top of my head, but I'll try to ask the gentleman again. But again, this is the way the rooms look here at Charlie's Point. Pools, got a pool built in here, so that's nice. Washing station. This way it looks, like I said, outside the rooms. Very nice. Rooms in the back, rooms in the front. And again, you got some restrooms here. Somebody got their motorcycle parked out here. And it's right basically on the northeast side of Baler, of Sabang actually, Sabang Beach. This is the northern part of it. Right, this hotel's right by the Baler sign out here at the beach. Walking back out toward the ocean. We're right on the Pacific Ocean basically. Again, this is Charlie's Point, made famous during the movie Apocalypse Now, back in Vietnam War movie. Brought surfing to the Philippines. From what I'm told, the film crew, the actors, left surfboards behind, and the local kids picked them up, taught themselves how to surf, and that's how surfing was born in the Philippines. Like I said, it spread to other areas such as San Juan, Union, and more famous now, Siargao down south. And then San Juan, Union is just over on the west coast. It's on the northern east coast. And hopefully enjoy this. But like I said, I stay next door at the hotel right next door. And so it made it convenient. I did not have to go far today for this. I'm staying at the Plaza Azul Hotel. Looking right outside on the road. Like I said, this is almost the end up here. It's a bang. The road goes way down toward the way that my camera's pointing now. Your question? What's your name?
Eric.
Eric, I'm George. So this is my site. George is all about the Philippines. I do YouTube and Facebook and Instagram, all social media.
Facebook.
And yeah.
I have Facebook.
You have Facebook?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you my card. You gave me your card, right? So I'll give you my card. So again, Macano for the rooms here, most of them.
The family rooms is 3.5.
3.5?
Yes, and per box is 2.5.
2.5. Okay.
So cheap.
Do you have availability now?
Right now,
No.
no beacon.
Because on the weekends,
Yes.
especially in the summer, you're very busy, right? Okay.
Now it's Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday. So you get a lot of tourists in,
Yeah.
and then you get a lot of locals too, probably coming, right, to enjoy the beach. Is that right? Okay. Okay. So how long you been associated with Charlie's Point? How long you been working?
2 years.
Hmm? Years?
Yeah, 2 years.
Oh, 2 years. Okay. Well, thank you very much. And we appreciate your time. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is a world famous Charlie's Point, where surfing was born in the Philippines. Tide's coming in right now, right after sunrise. It's a cloudy day, so the sunrise wasn't as good as I'd prefer, but like I said, always you can't predict what Mother Nature is going to do. Now I can look at the weather forecast and see there's a chance of rain. So, still a beautiful day out here. It's pretty cool right now compared to down where I live in the Baler, Salongapo area. The rays are rolling in. Can you see Charlie's Point is over there, right beside the hotel I'm staying at, Plaza Azul. And then this is Charlie's Point. I need to learn to surf, or maybe I'm just too old. I don't know. I want to break my neck or something. Maybe scuba diving and snorkeling is more my speed. Free diving like that, especially the free diving, the snorkeling. But don't think you're ever too old to learn new stuff.